And boom, there you have it. Oh, look. See? Pin is on more towards the outside, pushes the door closed, and then so when it's on its auto empty function, you know, back at the home base over there, base home, whatever you want to call it, there pushes this door open and then goes into that port right there. Not that port, but that port. That's where the air comes out. That's where the air goes in. Also, when it comes down to cleaning this thing, so you got little brush they sent you. An easy way of doing this is just run the self-clean option like a couple of times. Not like, you know, it's gonna take you a good bit more time cleaning with that little brush there that it comes with. But just run the clean thing until, like, say, you know, the dirty water. You get your you know, your clean water here, your dirty water here. Run it till, like, you know, the dirty water is somewhat cleaner, and then you're good to go. Anyways, catch you on the next one. Peace.